Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a useful one. I wanted to do something that I didn't know about. If there are any Disney fans out there, this is for you. Disneyland it's in Paris, is very different to Disney World when it comes to booking meals and things, and I didn't realise that until I started booking everything, started getting organised, downloaded the app, and then went to book a restaurant and just couldn't. Everything said, please call this number, and of course you're calling Paris and it's expensive, and they put you on hold for ages. Anyway, somebody got in touch with me on Instagram, which is where I hang out. Do come and say hello. And I have a hack to share. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it. It's going to be a lot of me voiceovering on the screen, explaining what to do. But you can book pretty much any restaurant online using this hack. You can book character dinings as well, and all online. You don't have to faff about trying to speak to anyone, waiting on hold for an hour. It is amazing. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so let's get to hacking. Right, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in bookrestaurants.disneylandparis.com. So that's bookrestaurants.disneylandparis.com. And what's going to come up is a wee CCC unavailable screen, and it looks like you've just typed in something dud and I'm talking rubbish. But we're going to go back up to that top part, and we're going to put in after that / and then the name of the restaurant with a hyphen between each word. Now, some of these were a bit fiddly, but take, for example, the really easy one, cafe - Mickey, bistro - Chez - Remy, which is a really popular restaurant. And then you should see up comes a booking screen. Dun, da, da, da. And basically you can book yourself in. You don't have to put in any kind of booking reference or anything like that. So you can actually do this without having got a booking number or anything like that. And if I just select the 30th and then put in 3 adults, 2 children, it will come up with a stage 3 that shows you their availability. You select one of those and you just go ahead and book it. You don't have to place a deposit or anything like that. And yeah, that's it. So easy to do. Now you can do this for so many different restaurants. It couldn't be easier. But also on here, a really useful thing, especially for parents, is it allows you to view the menu of the restaurant. So before you book it, or if indeed you have already booked it, it will bring up a separate screen that will show you the menu of all the different things that you can order, whether or not your kids will like it. Now, just one more thing that I think is really useful. If we go back up to that screen and we go across to the menu there, take that out, go to the Disneyland Paris website, and you'll come up with the big home screen, go across to things to do and all dining, and that will bring up every single restaurant, and it will let you know whether or not they take reservations, because some of the counter service restaurants do take reservations, so you wouldn't have to stand and queue. But also, if you click on one of them, for example Annette's Diner up at the top there, it'll show you how it's formatted, because I couldn't find Captain Jack's restaurant, but Captain Jack's actually is I think it's Captain Jack's Restaurant Pirates on the hyphens up at the top. So just to show you an example, that Cape Cod one, go up there, delete out the bistro Chez Remy, put in Cape - Cod, and boom, there it is, and you can book away. Happy hacking!